How to fix DeepSeek app verification code not received. If you have this problem, guys, actually you have a glitch. You don't need to open your DeepSeek. Go directly open your settings of your device first here, and after that you just have to go and click on your apps option and search for DeepSeek app, and when you will find it, just click on it like this. Right now you have to scroll this list down, click storage, click clear cache and back, click on force stop now, click OK. So after that, go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone and search for DeepDesk. After searching for it, click on it and you have to update the app if you found the update button available. If you didn't find it, you have to uninstall it and install it again. After this, restart your phone and your problem will be solved. And also you can turn on and turn off your airplane mode. Maybe that will help you to solve your problem, and that's it. If you have any question, write it down in comments, and bye.